Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2018. I'm Eric Johnson, and I want to show you our new flip-top line. I'm going to start off with the fact that in October we'll be shipping international power modules, a variety of international power modules. Some of the other modules that we can do include pass-through cables and plate. So these pass-through cables, you get 8 of them with every flip-top. It allows you to do very economical installations. Gravity retractors can be used in our mechanical version of the flip-top without power. They work very simply. You just pull the cable out up to 3 feet, and when you want to retract it, you pick it up and drop it down. You can now use our Keystone connector plates. Keystone connector plates offer you the ability to build your own connector plate at very low cost. Active connector plates, on the other hand, allow you to do 4K at 6444 digital video without any drop in quality. That's impossible with passive couplers like these. When a gravity retractor is placed in an electric flip-top, you get lit labels and the same behavior. So you can use the cable, drop it down. Now with the electric flip-top, you can use our USB-C charging module, which will charge an iPad Pro from 5% to 50% in less than 20 minutes. Here we have the upcoming OneTouch retractors, due to ship in October. These retractors offer the ultimate in luxury for your conference rooms. You can pull the cable out any distance, up to 5 feet. It stays wherever you leave it, and to retract it, you touch the button. Now, if your end users can't remember to do that, the OneTouch retractors communicate through Crestron and one Crestron wire from this flip-top to a DMPS or control system allows you to do anything you want. You can retract all the retractors at a touch of a touchscreen button, or you can retract them on a timed routine in the middle of the night. So these really do offer a new level of convenience. They're shipping in October. Finally, I just want to show you our cable caddies, the new TT2100. The TT2100 offers you 3 pass-through cables, 2 AC outlets, USB-C and USB-A rapid charging, plus the convenience of a 4-inch hole. We're also showing shrouds for all of these under-table products, so if they're visible, you can completely conceal them from end users with a soft woven polyester shroud. With the pass-through cables on the TT, you can use optional weights to make them retract automatically. So altogether, these offer a really convenient package. And I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of the flip-tops. Please contact me if there's any information I can help with.